We are in March month, financial year end. Many organization going to finish the appraisal process. Maybe your appraisal process in progress, or some of the cases your appraisal process may be completed. You will receive some hike. Okay, when you try to switch or try to attend interview in different organization, definitely you will say, so this much hike I am going to receive from this organization upcoming months, so based on which provide some additional hike. Okay, when you say this statement, you should have strong evidence, strong genuine evidence, because I heard something about from our subscribers, some of the people giving the wrong information. So they didn't attend the appraisal discussion, even they didn't receive the confirmation of appraisal paper, but they are discussing with future organization. I will receive 10% hike, 50% hike, so that provide the additional hike. Okay, during the salary hike, okay, you should have proper documents. You need to submit that proper documents in the new employer, based on which only your HR will upload the documents and send for approval in the new organization to get the salary hike approvals with the finance team. Okay, and please provide the genuine information. Don't send any edited informations. Okay, if you don't receive any hike related strong evidence, don't share with the new employer. If you share any edited information, obviously you will be in trouble. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like our channel, please subscribe and share to your friends. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.